Now, did I tell you to stay away from Fiverr in the previous video? No, I told you to stay away from producing videos on Fiverr or having them produced in that manner. But when it comes to voiceover, I want you to know that I personally use Fiverr. So basically, you'll type in voiceover. Now, I don't use voiceover for every single one of my videos, but the fact is, having a professional voiceover artist comment along with your background music will make it even more engaging. Now, why would you not use Fiverr for promotional videos, but you would use it for voiceover to include in your promotional video? Well, first off, every single seller on Fiverr will charge you to sync a voiceover to a promotional video they made, even though it requires no work at all. But they'll charge you $10 because that's the way it is. Secondly, voiceovers can't really go wrong. I mean, if you write a script and ask someone to read it, there's no interpretation. They can't really mess it up. But when creating promotional video, they'll be starting from scratch, and you might get something that you don't like at all, as it often happens on Fiverr. Now on here, you'll find a plentiful of talented voiceover artists. The price of having a voiceover made varies usually from $5 for 100 to 150 words, which is actually what you should be aiming at having in your promotional video. Your promotional video should be between, I don't know, 45 seconds and a minute and a half long, and having someone read over it would take about 100 to 150 words. So for $5, you can actually get the job done with no hidden costs, nothing. So that's my 2 cents of the day. You don't have to use a voiceover in your video, but I personally think it makes it engaging. So when I actually produce promotional videos, I might consider getting a voiceover done